Hi all, it's Rich again. I got so over the next couple of days I got this new project to work on. I gotta get my 1975 K680 started up because I gotta dig a trench around my building for a well I'm putting in, or I had it drilled, and now I gotta drop the pump in. I'm gonna do the pump myself. So when I parked it here a year ago, it was running fine and everything. I came out this year, it was a little low on oil. I haven't started it yet. I had to replace both batteries. I went and checked the oil, and it was overfilled, and I knew I didn't overfill it. So I drained the oil, and there was a bunch of water. A lot of water in the crankcase, over a gallon. The capacity of this thing is 11 quarts, so a gallon or two of water. It's not a good thing. So I don't think it did any damage, and so over the next couple of days I'm going to be doing the maintenance on this thing. I've already hit a couple of grease points. I did the oil change already. I had to get a new filter because I thought there might be water in the filter, and then I'm going to just do some operational checks, make sure the thing's working out fine, and then start digging a hole next to the sleeve for my my well. I'll show that. So of course, first I got to move everything out of the way. I got two trucks in the way; those both got to be moved out of here. I did start digging it by hand, and I was like, nope, this is too much work. I got to dig down about 4 feet because I got to put probably 5 feet for a pitless adapter. Put that in, and then dig a trench all the way around the building, and hopefully that'll all go smoothly. Okay, so I'm all ready to start up my K680. It's been a while since it's been run. It's been over a year. We'll see. I found some things I didn't like. I found, of course, the water in the oil. The main hydraulic was low. Hopefully it'll start up smoothly. We'll see. I got 2 new batteries in the thing, so it should turn over good. It's got coolant in it now. That was very low. Yeah, let's see. We'll see, because I got some digging to do. I'm only going to run it for a little bit today, and then and probably do a little bit of digging, and then I got to drill the well casing. So we'll see how it starts, if it starts. Glow plugs work, that's a good thing. Over slow. So I'll have to figure out what that is. Maybe the batteries. I just put the batteries in. They were brand new. I charged them right up, but it is definitely turning over slow. Sound right. Okay, so at least it started. Now I gotta figure out why it was running like that. Should not be running like that. Okay, we're back. I think the only thing that was wrong is I had the backhoe throttle back. I must have bumped it. I don't know. When I was putting the batteries in. That's why it wasn't. It seemed like it was stumbling to me. Different from the cab, I guess. I don't know if it caught it on camera. Okay, usually that means I need to put more fluid in the shuttle transmission. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's kind of a pain in the ass to do because it's right under the brake pedals, and so I won't show that. Well, yeah, actually, I guess I'll show it, but and that's it right there. So, yeah, I'll stop the video here and I'll come back once I get some fluid in the thing. It's hard to measure I don't think the dipstick is actually accurate. It says 3 gallons in that shuttle transmission. There is no way there's 3 gallons in it, but it says it's full. So, I drained it last fall, I think it was, and checked the screen. The screen was all plugged up. So, okay, so I added hydraulic oil. We'll see if this thing moves now. Okay, so I'm going to dig a small hole by the well just to prove that I can do it. And then I will be doing some more maintenance on this machine because it's been sitting for a while. Okay, and that's what we did. We just dug a little bit. I just have to go down 4 feet. It looks like I'll have to do some handwork. It just caved in a little bit, but I just wanted to run the machine a little bit, make sure everything was... and now I'm going to do some more maintenance on this thing. I got some more greasing to do. It's leaking a bit, so I might have to tighten a couple of fittings. But I'll be putting the pitless adapter in probably today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. It's too hot today. It's up there around 90, so everything seems to work fine. So I'm kind of glad. This is my favorite machine I have. I've had it for 5 years now, and it's really it's in good shape, right? Good paint and everything. Everything does work well. There's some leaks, of course. I have one cylinder I think I have to repack, and that's this boom cylinder. This what is it? Whatever. This thing right here. Stabilizer. So, and then and hopefully I'll have my machine up and running fully pretty soon, because I'm gonna have to dig a trench from here all the way to the small building. So I have to move a pile of wood, and right over there, that small building, that's where the water is going to come in. I didn't put any floor penetrations in the big building, so I'll, yeah, that ought to be fun. And finally, I'll have running water. So that's it for now, guys. Like, subscribe, comment,